Hi lovelies, it's Frederica. Welcome back to another video. Happy Self-Care Sunday. I hope I get this uploaded by Sunday. If not, you'll see it Monday, but I did film it on Sunday. Just want to go over a few little self-care products that I'm personally using and want to recommend to you. This is from Walmart. Bubble Bath Milk and Honey. Foam Bath Soothe and Relax. How big that is. It's not a bubble bath. Just give it to me from my mom. Then I have this lavender chamomile sleep spray by Nature's Beauty. And basically what it is just a spray. I think you can do like after your shower or bath. And it has no parabens, no sulfates, no gluten, never tested on animals, that kind of thing. And it says the directions for use is as a body spray. You can close your eyes and mist it 11 to 12 inches over your face. And over your body to calm your senses. As a room freshener, you can spray it in the air as needed. I would probably spray it into the air because I just don't feel comfortable doing all of this and it might get in my eyes. You know what I mean? What if you forget and you open your eyes and this goes in there? But anyway, I'm not gonna chance that because I don't trust that. But I'll be, sure to do it like this and like this and like spray it in the air after a bath and see how it works. Try this tonight. Then there's this goat milk lotion, Beekman 1802 Vanilla Absolute, enriched with jojoba oil. It's sulfate free. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet, but let me see. I don't know. I may not be able to get this open right now. Let me see. Give me 1 minute. Just want to see how it smells. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like a vanilla cream, a vanilla scent. I like this. It smells good. So this and this might have me sleeping like a baby. Let's hope so. Then I have 2 mystery dozen deals bags for you guys. I have to go through them quickly because I don't have a lot of camera time, which is sad. So if this video cuts off, then you know why. My battery's running low, that kind of thing. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. My videos are also about affordable fashion, lifestyle, and self-care. The mystery dozen deals are bags that I kind of introduced my old subscribers to about 4 or 5 months ago, where I was going to the GoodWill. You get 12 items in a bag, in a brown bag. There's like 12 items. They have different prices on them. And what I did find out about the bags too is, and it's in small writing, so you have to really look at it carefully. If you open up the bag before you get to the register, they're not going to honor it for the $9.99 deal. So you'll just be, wasting your time trying to buy a bag that you selected, and they're not going to give it to you for $9.99 because you opened it before, So I like to get these bags and open them up on camera with you guys so we can be pleasantly surprised, or maybe not pleasantly surprised if it's something I don't like or I can't style for you in a future video. Either I'll donate it or I'll give it to a family member that I know is more suitable for their style. So the clothes never go to waste, let's put it like that. So I enjoy still doing these videos for you guys because to me it's fun. It's like an unboxing, And I'm not sure if the GoodWill is going to continue to offer these deals. They were doing men, women's, and children. The one thrift store that I went to, they no longer had men clothing there, and I don't understand why, because I think men, they could probably benefit from these deals too, men that thrift, But anyway, let me just get into the bags. I have 2 of them sitting down here on the floor. So let's just get into it. Let me check the time. It's not a lot of time left. So, like I said, the camera might cut off. So we'll be as fast as we can. It's a big bag. I don't know what's inside. So I'm just gonna rip it open. Hopefully I can rip it open. I can. So let's see what this is. It looks like a lot of sweaters right here. So this is a cardigan. I'm not really sure if this is my style. I have to look at it further. No, it's not really my style. It has these 3/4 length sleeves, but I do like the design in it. This normally would have been $5.99. The whole bag costs $9.99, and it's by the brand Say What, size medium. So that's the way it is. You might get lucky, you might not get lucky. Here is another top. This would have been $5.99, size medium. The whole bag is mediums, by the way. And this is by Rose and Olive. So I don't know. It's not really my style, I don't think. I would have to look at it closely to see if I can style it with something, but it may not be. But if it's not, like I said, they don't go to waste. Now this is kind of cute, but I think it's a little too oversized for my taste. Divided by H&M. So this is a pretty little sweater. This would have been $6.99. And this is the way it's made. Kind of really oversized. So it's a little bit too big for me. So I'll probably wind up giving that away. And here's another sweater. It's pretty much still winter, honestly. So these sweaters will come in handy for somebody. And this is $6.99 for this sweater. So yeah, that's that. And it has 2 pockets on the side. I don't really know. Oh, it's by Old Navy. Okay. It's Old Navy. I'm trying to go fast, guys, because I know my camera's going to die soon. Let's see what else. Oh, this is a cute little sweater. This is not really my style at all. It's by the Say What brand. And this would have been $6.99. So literally everything in here costs more than what the actual bag costs. So, you know, it's some deals in here. Someone can wear this. Somebody. I love the color in this. This is very, very pretty. This is $5.99. And it's by Worthington. This is like cute. This is very cute to me. I'll probably keep this and style it. I like this. The color is very pretty against my skin. Yes, I like it. So this is pretty. That's a cute for me. This is another sweater. Other sweaters in this one. This is New York and Company. This one has a little hood to it. It's 3/4 length sleeves. I literally hate 3/4 length sleeves because it starts about like right here and it looks just really weird. I hate sweaters and shirts made like that. That's just not my style. And here's another sweater. This would have been $6.99 and it's red. So yeah, and who is this by? This is by Carolyn Taylor. Oh, it's cute. I'm gonna keep that for myself. This is Ella Moss, size medium. This is a very pretty fabric. I love it. Feels really, really silky and soft. This one is $6.99. I probably won't keep this one either, but it's cute. And this is by Brooks Brothers, size medium. This would have been $6.99. This pink sweater. This is not my style, but it's cute, very cute. I do like it. For someone else, it's not me. Okay, that's cute. What else is this? This is a cute sweater. It's by Divided, H&M, like a crop sweater. This is cute. And this would have been $6.99. So everything ranged between $6.99 and $5.99. Way more than the actual bag costed. This is by Joseph A. And they say it's silk fabric. This would have been $9.99. This is cute. I might keep this. We'll see if I can style it. So yes, that is the end of tonight's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Just had to come and bring you guys a little bit of something. So that's one bag of Mystery Dozen Deals, and I'll be back with more Mystery Dozen Deal bags for you in a future video. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.